Welcome to AIPenGuild. Here's the home page. Now, I'll scroll through the page to highlight the design before instructing you to connect your wallet. As you can see, my wallet is already currently connected. For demonstration purposes, I'll just disconnect this and connect it again. You can now see the connect wallet. Click on MetaMask, connect. Now my wallet is connected again. Before we can mint our first AI NFT, we need to have funds first. And to get the funds, just click on the docs, user guide, and click on the Moonbeam faucet. We support Moonbase Alpha, Westend Asset Hub, and Moonbeam. But for demonstration purposes, I'll demonstrate on Moonbase Alpha. The code is open source, so developers can add even more networks in here easily. So if you don't have balance, just click on the Moonbeam faucet, paste your address here. You can see it in your MetaMask wallet. Just copy here and paste it here, answer the caption, click on submit. And since I already have balance, I have 0.7 dev token balance, I'll just directly mint my NFT. Now hover on explore, create AI NFT. And now in the mint page, let's enter a sample prompt. Let's say a steampunk warrior. Let's say a mage with a glowing mechanical staff. Now set the category. I'll choose character for now. Click on generate image and attributes button. Now that we click it, it will generate NFT image and its attribute. Now in here, we have an option to either pay with 100 XP or 0.1 dev. But since I already have balance, I'll just choose 0.1 dev. Let's wait for the transaction status to confirm. And after we generate character, I will generate game item and power up as well, just to show variety. Now the character has been minted. I'll generate game item as well. Now as you can see, my prompt is still for character, but my backend, before sending to Replicate API is the one who's responsible for generating the NFT AI image. Before we send to Replicate API, it will be processed by OpenAI LLM first to generate a prompt, a beautiful prompt, before sending to Replicate API. So even if you input some kind of gibberish words in here, or even empty prompt or some random prompts, if you select the category that you want to generate, it will still generate an image that is related to the category, even if you input some random prompts in here. You see, it's still a power up because the prompt will be processed by OpenAI API first before sending to Replicate API to generate NFT image or NFT AI image. Now that, we have used to pay 0.1 dev before, but now we'll try to pay with 100 XP points. Let's see how many XP I have by going over to the dashboard page. I have 824 experience points right now. Let's see if it will be deducted by 100. So we should see like this amount of XP points, right? Let's refresh the page if deduction happens. Now as you see, it's not deducted by 100 because whenever we mint an NFT, that NFT earns us points also. So every NFT has their inherent XP that will be added to our dashboard once we mint it. So let's go over to the My NFTs page. Let's see the latest NFT that we have minted and check its inherent XP points. Now the XP value of this NFT is 86. Now let's see if we could get 810 after some kind of calculation. Plus 86, it should be 810, right? Now we see 810. So the calculation in the back end and in our smart contract is correct because it's 810 in here. Now let's go to the My NFTs page again. I'll select the newly minted item and let's set a sale price, for example, let's see if we can see it on the marketplace. Transaction confirmed. Let's go over to the marketplace page. Now on the marketplace page, you'll see that I own certain NFT. I earn this NFT. So I can't buy my own. So I can't buy this NFT because I own it. But I'll just use another wallet of mine to see if the buy button is visible. This is my other wallet. Go to the marketplace page, and yeah, the buy button in here is visible because I own this. I own this and I use another wallet to view it. Now I only have 0.2 dev token in here and this costs 0.3 dev, so I cannot buy this. I'll just use my other wallet to buy this thing. Let's see if this will be transferred to my NFT list, to my wallet account. So I just bought this. Let's wait for the transaction status to be confirmed. Yeah, it has been. We can see that thing in the marketplace right now because I bought this. Because I bought it. Go to the INFTs, and yeah, you can see it. You can see here. This is the one I bought. It's already mine. Now let's go back in here. Pick an item that's listed on the marketplace and just click on Unlist NFT, showcasing how the unlisting feature works. transaction confirmed. Let's see if it's still listed. Now you can see that it's listed on the marketplace. Now let's go to the stake NFTs page. Here you cannot stake an NFT that is listed on the marketplace, and once stake, you can list it also for sale on the marketplace. And as you can see, I have older NFT that is staked gaining XP, which is unclaimed right now, and you can watch the total unclaimed XP increase in real time. Let's go over to the stake NFT. Now we'll try to claim these NFT rewards and check our dashboard if the balance will increase. Here you see my XP points has been increased on the dashboard. The transaction has been confirmed. Now let's try to unstake our NFT. This thing is currently staked and currently earning in real time. So go over to unstake NFT. So note that when unstaking, the contract automatically claims any final NFT before giving your NFT back. So no XP is lost. Let's see if my balance would increase when I click on the unstake NFT button and confirm its status. 23,524. Yeah, it increases. Now let's go over to the admin page. Only the wallet that deployed the contracts has admin access. So anyone who don't have that kind of ownership to the contract will be redirected to 403 page. Now let's see. This is my other account. This is not the contract deployer. So just let's see what will happen if we click on the admin page. Yeah, it has been redirected to 403 page because this is not the contract deployer, this is not the admin, but this wallet has admin privileges because this is the wallet that deployed all of the smart contracts. Let's try to withdraw the current pool balance that has been collected. These are the fees and any other deduction that happens for every transaction. Let's try to withdraw all. Wait, let's check our balance first to really notice the change of increase. Currently it's 0.4 dev token. Let's withdraw. Confirm. Let's see the increase of balance in real time. Yeah, right now it's 1.5 dev token. So yeah, it increases. Now let's go over to the leaderboard page. On the leaderboard, we can see the top XP holders, and we can filter by XP range or addresses. We can just paste the address here. And for the title, for full list of titles, just click on the docs page, click on the FAQ page, and yeah, you can see the titles here by clicking on the view XP title table. Or you could also see this by going to the dashboard page, view XP titles. Yeah, this is my current title because of my experience points of 23,000 here. Now let's go to the dashboard. Here's our dashboard. You'll see the total XP, current title, that NFT stats, minted, sold, listed, and stake, and all in one convenient place. My own NFTs page has already been linked in here also. Now let's go to the documentation page. This covers everything from overviews, user guides, developers, technical architecture, and FAQ. Let's see it one by one. If you can't see the screenshot clearly, just click on it, and yeah, you can do zoom in, zoom out, full screen. And now let's go to technical architecture. Here you can see diagrams and flowcharts to really explain its overall engineering and architecture. FAQ section, a lot of questions here that you could read also for more information. And yeah, developer APIs, because AIPenGuild is an AI-driven NFT ecosystem offering marketplace, trading, NFT staking for XP rewards, and real-world game interoperability. So it seamlessly shares attributes across blockchain games, preserving gameplay stats, staking perks, and NFT value. So this page is useful for developers, for them to integrate our project to their application. They could read the NFT information in here on chain, so they don't need to call or use RPC URLs to query their user owned NFTs and its attributes. And yeah, that's it.